Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. So this is going to be a bonus love reading for July 2020 for Virgo. Let's see what's happening in their love life. I have already done one reading before. So if you haven't seen that, I will link that in the first comment. Okay, so you can check that out. And yes, if you are new to my channel, you are watching this video for the very first time, I do such quick tarot readings on my channel. So if you are interested, you can consider subscribing my channel and please hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. So let's see what's happening for Virgo in their love life. What's happening for Virgo in their love life? What's happening for Virgo in their love life? Okay. Princess of Swords, Princess of Pentacles, these are your person's feelings, and the Hanged Woman. Let's see what you are feeling like. What are your current feelings? Adjust the camera. What are your current feelings about this person and this relationship? The Devil, the World, Ace of Wands. Okay, so these are your person's feelings. These are your feelings. What I'm seeing here is you might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Princess of Swords. Okay, you might be dealing with a Capricorn with this Devil. You might be dealing with a Piscean with this Hanged Woman, and a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag with this Ace of Wands. As far as I'm seeing, your person is, they want to build something with you, but they're not being able to take their first step. They don't know how to come back. They don't know how to initiate things with you. Okay, it might be possible that they cut you off their life in the past and now they want you. They want to build something with you is what I'm seeing here. Okay, I'm definitely seeing you dealing with a water sign, specifically a Piscean, but this person, they are still confused. They take one step towards you and then they get off. They get back. They take one step towards you and then they return back. This is what is their situation right now. You're dealing with someone who is not quite stable with their decisions, not quite stable with what they want from you. But I think this was the matter of past. Now they are quite sure that they want to build this with you. They want to have this relationship with you, and they are coming with this Princess of Pentacles. They are coming back. They are quite confident and they want to show the level of dedication they have towards you. Okay, Virgo, I'm definitely seeing a sense of building it with you. They want to build something with you. Okay, as far as on your side, I can see you're ready for this relationship, but the thing is, you want a very stable offer this time. You don't want this person to be in and out, in and out, in and out. You're done with it. You want someone who is very sure and very clear about what they want. And this person was not offering you that in past, but now they are with this Princess of Wands, Princess of Pentacles. I'm really sorry. I'm definitely seeing you want direct actions. You want very clear intentions. You want very clear actions. You want a person who can give you everything, like they devote themselves to you. You don't want here and there. You don't want tits and bits. You want everything. Okay, you want a solid commitment offer, and this person was not offering you that in past and now they want to. Okay, I think somewhere you and this person had this issue of commitment. This person wasn't committing to you, and this was bothering you. Okay, and now they have come out of this Hanged Woman situation. They have come out of this confusion, this conflict, and they want to offer you something very solid with this Princess of Pentacles, and you are ready. You will be open to receive love from them. You will be open to receive communication from them, actions from them. You too want to reconcile with this person. Okay, With this devil card, as far as I'm seeing, you might be dealing with a Capricorn specifically, and the thing, the fact that they ignored you in the past, the fact that this person left you in the cold, in the dark place in the past, is really taking a toll on your mind. You are quite not coming out of this rage. You feel very sad because this person broke your heart, they cut you off, they ghosted you. Maybe in some cases they chose someone else over you, or some other situation over you, and this is quite in your head. But I would advise you not to take this burden or this mental blockage with you in future, okay? Because I see this person genuinely coming back. They are feeling sorry for whatever happened between you both, okay? So just accept them with whole heart. Don't let the past things spoil or ruin your future with this person, okay? The things that happened in past are a matter of past. It has nothing to do with your future. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. Let's see your mutual energies. What are the mutual energies for Virgo July 2020 with this person? What are the mutual energies? 9 of Pentacles. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is maybe this person left you in the past for their own personal reasons. Maybe they wanted to focus more on their career. Maybe they thought they are okay being alone. They wanted their freedom. They wanted to they chose something over you, and you thought as if this person is the only thing you want. This is the mutual energy, and this is the past which I am seeing here, okay? They wanted to gain something and they lost you, they cut you off, and you thought as if you get this person, this is the only gain you will have. Means you're getting what I'm trying to tell you. Like, this is the only person whom you want in your life, and they chose something else, okay? 10 of Wands. What I'm seeing here is this person is coming back, okay? They want to offer you something, but they might be even coming in with a lot of burden, a lot of tension, a lot of pressure, okay? Or they might be under a pressure that you might reject them. And on your side, what I'm seeing here is you want this person to keep all their burdens aside and come back with a full open heart. You don't want this person to go back now. You don't want to deal with someone who is inconsistent. So you asking them, keep your baggages out of the door and then enter my heart, okay? Queen of Swords. I think in the past this person wasn't being able to make the right choice, and so they kept you stuck, okay? They keep you waiting, and they don't take action, and this was bothering you. So they cut you off because they were not being able to take any action or not being able to decide anything. And you, on the other hand, you are like, if you want to come back in my life, come back with a very solid offer, else I'm okay without you. This is your stand now, okay? You are like, I'm better off without you if you are not willing to give me a proper solid commitment. Let's see what advice do we have for you, Virgo. What advice do we have for Virgo? What advice do we have for Virgo? Awareness. So I think this advice is quite needed on your side, so as to be aware whether this person comes with a genuine offer or not. Because this is a general reading, so it might be possible that some of your partners are coming back with no change in their behavior, no change in their intentions. So just be aware, just notice everything with what they are willing to offer you, okay? And the last one is partnership. Learn to grow with others, overcome obstacles by working together, touch each other's hearts while life lasts. So I think there must be an equal give and take in the relationship. If they are giving their bit, you must do your bit. So just do everything with a whole heart. Do not let doubt creep into this relationship. Do not let anything break this relationship. If they are giving their 100%, you should too. Okay, so there must be an equal give and take in this relationship, in this partnership, is what I'm seeing here. So this was it for Virgo. I hope it helped you in some way. If you like this video, please give it a like and share with your friends, and you can subscribe my channel if you haven't done so. See you in next video.